Coach Joseph Jaime Johnson here with atxballers, and we're here to give y'all a couple instructions on how you can stay active during this little time period that you're off. So we're encouraging all parents to get up and join us in this little adventure, and let's stay active.
What's up, guys? Coach Geoff here. It's an honor to be here with Coach Jaime. We two are both professional basketball players. We can give you expert advice right now. No games.
All right, kiddos, look. So it's very important. We're going to go over dribbling right now. But look, it's very important that we go over dribbling form, because there's two ways that you can dribble. It's sloppy and with some consistency. So when I'm dribbling, I like to dribble with consistency, meaning I like to get to where I'm trying to get to. But I don't like to have the ball all over the place. So what we're going to go over is dribbling form, all right? So first thing I like to do is to be in a nice square stance, all right? You see my feet, not like this, we're not turned nice and square. And then I like to squat down. I don't like to bend over. You don't want to have back problems when you get my age. You want to squat down. So what you're going to do, we're going to start at knee-high dribbles right here. Knee is right here. You're going to dribble. Once you dribble the ball, you want to dribble into that pocket. This is the pocket right here, so that's where we're going to dribble. So we're going to go 10 dribbles. And then my head is up. Notice how my eyes is up and my head is up. And then you get up right here. Next one we're going to do is at the hip right here. It's very important to keep the ball in the pocket. Once again, we're going. Stay low, bend over, no, we squat down. We're right here in the pocket. My eyes is up, my head is up, and we're looking forward. It's real important, guards, that your head is always up when you're dribbling the ball, because if your head is down, you can't see up the court, all right? Next we're gonna go shoulder high dribbles, all right? Reason why we do that, because you might have to hesitate, hit somebody with a different move. You might have to drop a bounce pass. So we're gonna do the same thing, 10 high, ready? And I'm still square, my eyes are still up. And when we dribble the ball, you want to try to dribble that ball through the concrete. You don't want to dribble like this. You want to try to dribble that ball through the pavement.
All right, guys. You guys just saw Coach Jaime's version of the elementary dribbling ball handle. Now we're going to go to a little bit more advanced, okay? What you got to do in this situation is ask your brother, your sister, your dad, your mother, your dog. Well, just kidding about that. Ask somebody to throw up some numbers for you, okay? So in this case, I'm going to be the dad to my son Jaime here. He's going to be dribbling, and I'm going to give him numbers. He has to look at what I'm putting up, 2, 3, 4, 5, and say it to show that his eyes are up and he's aware of what's going on here, not where a lot of you guys like to dribble down here, okay? So we're going to go ahead and give you an example of that, all right? 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1. Great focus, great energy, great effort. Try to model what Coach Jaime is doing here for you guys, all right? Jaime, Coach, can you hold that same position? Look at his body, guys. His chest is up, his butt is down, he's pounding the ball, he looks focused, his head is up. Okay, very important that we keep this just like how he's doing.
Hand is up, this is your shield. You gotta use this as your shield. If he's coming, I gotta be able to have my hand down. Just like that. You don't want to get the ball stolen from you. Good job.
All right, guys, this is again for the advanced students. We're gonna continue the eyes up dribbling, counting the numbers, while Coach Jaime does low crossovers. But to make it even a little bit harder, more difficult, if saying the numbers is too easy, too hard, I don't know, if it's too easy for you, we're gonna do some math, all right? So we're gonna keep our minds going. 2 plus 2s, 5 plus 5s, okay? Let's see how it works. All right, Coach Jaime, all right. Crossovers.
Remember, we're staying square. Butt is low, head is up, eyes is up.
1, 5. What's this plus this? 4. What's this plus this? 2. This plus this? 2. This minus this? 3. This times this? 4. Hey. atxballers
Math is
better.
still good.
You gotta have math skills to be an ATX baller. That's right. Good job, Jamie. Oh, elbow bump, right?
Here we go. So
Today. Take that, Virus. Take that.